guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the Color Street Patriotic Collection. I also have a couple other ones on here that I ordered because I don't have them, and I think my mom would like them because I do her nails pretty much every weekend. This one is really cool, but unfortunately it's one of the retired ones that you can't get anymore. It's a really pretty blue with all sorts of red and white glitter. I snagged that one up before they did away with it. Okay, so here's a couple of the non-patriotic ones, but I thought that's really pretty. So I guess that's the best angle to show it right here. Some of them are plain, and then the other ones have little ombre, kind of like little cubes on there. It's really pretty. That one's called Silicon Valley. And this one I also got for my mom. It's kind of the same shade, but these have purple roses. This one's plain, then we have a couple, and then this one is completely all roses for a nice accent nail. That one is called Andalusia. I don't even know how to say that. I might have butchered that. But it's very pretty. I like that one. So here are some of the patriotic ones. This one is amazing. I can't wait to use this. So it's red, there's some blue glitter, and then the silver glitter actually looks very holographic. You can kind of tell there. It's beautiful. This one is Star Spangled Sparkle. I only got one of those. I'm kind of regretting that because I love it. Sometimes they look way better in person. Not that they look bad online, but once you see them in person, you're like, oh wow, that's more sparkly than I thought, or whatever. So I got two of these. I got some duplicates for a friend. And you can go online and look at the pictures because they'll show you what the other strips look like in here. But they do give you a sneak peek of pretty many of them. So this one is called Broad Stripes and Bright Stars. But I think perhaps my favorite is this one. I'm also going to be wearing these for the 4th of July, I think. Because it has the fireworks all over it. And they're different colors, so there's like 2 different shades of blue, red, and I think there's more shades of blue and red over here. Obviously you can't see them all, but I think they're really cool. Sparkly. Kind of hard to show with the glare on the thing. But that is called Fired Up. Love those. I think I might do those next. And then I got a couple that were that are here in the back, non-holiday ones. So this one is actually for mental health awareness. It's a kind of cool design. Again, looks better in person. Not that it looked bad online, but I love these little designs here. Very cool. And some of the proceeds of that go to a charity, and this one is called Listen and Love. And the last one, I think I already have this one. I wasn't sure if it was the same one I had. But one of these days I'm going to try the French manicure, and I'm going to film it, and we're going to see how easy or difficult it is the first time using it. But I feel like that's so much wasted there. My nails are not that long, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to like resave them like I normally do, but we'll see. I think I'm just scared, which is why I haven't tried it yet, but I'll definitely make a video if I do. So that is the collection plus some extras. If you guys want to order any of the patriotic ones, they will be available for a while, and I'll put a link below. They are buy 3 get 1 free, which is always the deal that they have. So I will put the website down in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.